cents. Okay, this is the 1992 Honda Civic Bubbleback with the 2004 Acura RSX Type S 6-speed manual transmission. Starter's been changed, thermostat has been changed, thermostat housing has been changed, knock sensor has been changed, coolant tube has been changed, the one going from the water pump to the heater core, that's been changed. Basically, everything underneath this thing has been changed. The intake manifold. There's nothing old under there anymore. So, yeah. So this is one less thing that you'll have to worry about if you buy this car. Battery is new. It's less than a year old. Has a timing chain as opposed to a timing belt, so no more worries about changing that. Braided fuel lines, never corrode. And yeah, there we go. 1992 Honda Civic SI Bubbleback. Now let me just take you around the car. Like, I basically just did it this morning. So here we go. Right, look at the mileage in here. Look at the RPM. Goes up to 80 something hundred RPMs. That's a Japanese deal. But the mileage has been calibrated on the speedometer or the odometer to reflect the actual miles on this engine. So we're sitting at 154,000 kilometers. Look at the interior. Interior is nice and clean. You know, we need some body work. You can see it needs some body work around here on both sides. Actually, look at this small hole there. But from basically the back forward, like where the rust is, to the back of the front doors is what needs to get done. Everything else is absolutely wonderful. I have other rims for it too, aluminums. I think they're called hammerheads or something like that. See, here's the other body work that needs to get done. And there you have it, my 1992 Honda Civic SI. Power sunroof works. Clean car. 6-speed transmission, of course. Let's see if we can see that. I don't know if you can. JVC head unit. Okay, we're signing off.